Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? All right. Let's see which way the market goes. Let's give it some time. Let's see what happens. 426.30 is a major resistance on the SPY. So let's see if we can get a close above it and then some continued strength. Also, guys, so for today, specifically, there's FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. So don't be overly aggressive. Also today, just be patient. Don't be overly aggressive on position sizes, and yeah, just play it nicely. So obviously we had a big move to the downside already. So let's see if this is a dip buying opportunity. I'd like to see a close above, well, like a single candle close above the current high of day before we enter. And then it'll just be a nice tight play to the upside. All right, I'm getting into light SPY calls here. Light 427 SPY calls expiring today. Let's see if we could follow this momentum to the upside. Very, very simply. Again, you have to realize that the overall momentum, on the daily chart and everything is bullish, but immediately what just happened overnight is bearish. So just keep that in mind. So we're playing calls to the upside. We need to see if there's going to be follow through. This is different from the usual plays that we take, because usually we take plays, we buy calls at support. This isn't that sort of play. We're playing momentum to the upside. So far, the contracts are up 5%. We want to see, obviously, we want to see more movement to the upside. So for that to happen, 426.56 needs to hold as support. Which is, which is this, basically this this candle here needs to hold as support for continued move to the upside. If this play doesn't work, then I'm going to continue to basically see, we have to see which way the market wants to go, whether it's up or down, whether we're going to find support, etc., etc. So yeah. Apple is showing a lot of strength, but it's having a bit of a it found support. Let's see if it can hold this support. Tesla is also showing a lot of strength. So Tesla just made a new high of day. Let's see if these things can hold up the market, basically. The IWM seems to have found support. Apple is now falling lower. Now it's at support. Tesla about to make another high of day. Amazon is taking a hit, most likely due to Target and the retailer news. And there goes the SPY. So so these contracts are up 15% now. So you guys should definitely go ahead and take some profits, leave runners, and nice. So far, so good. Take some profits and leave runners, guys. There's no guarantee that this is going to continue higher. That's why it's always important to solidify some profits at a 10 to 15% gain. So here we are. Contracts are up over 16%. Oh damn, the contracts are up 25%. All right, guys, so definitely take some profits. Damn, that is crazy. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, go ahead and take the rest of the day off. Holy 11111. Okay. Guys, get in. 111s. Thank you. Type in the ones. Thank you. Make my morning. All right, let's see if we can get some more dips. All right. 426.80 is going to be a very important level of support for this to hold, to see if we can continue up. But again, this seems like a good dip buying opportunity once more. Damn, this seems like a really, really good dip buying opportunity. Nah, let's just hold on to runners, see what happens. Ones, so many ones. I love it. Everyone who made money, make sure to like the stream, double tap on the screen on TikTok if you guys made money on this play. Double tap the screen and you can send likes, so you can send as many likes as you want. My goal for today is 100,000 likes, so keep on double tapping the screen if I made you guys money. But obviously this isn't financial advice, so you made yourself money. Congratulations, guys. Wow, that is a lot of ones. Beautiful. Holy crap, thank you so much. That is beautiful, man. What a blessing. What a blessing, bro. It's crazy. Thank you for the likes. Now it looks like a really, really good time to buy dips. I'm just waiting. Definitely. The only issue with the reason why I'm not buying dips again right now is I'm getting a little greedy. I want it to get closer to support, but it looks like we did find some sort of a bottom. But the short-term momentum to the downside still looks a little weak to me. It looks like there is a little bit room to the downside. So on plays like this, it's not really worth trying to force something. Also, if you just zoom out and you take a deep breath and you just look at the reward currently. Like we opened down here, and then we made a high here, and we're currently trading in the middle of the range, exactly in the middle. So until a defined level of support and resistance is created right now, or we come back down to it, I won't feel comfortable re-entering. And if we miss out on a good entry, so be it. Yeah. That is exactly why I did not want to enter just yet. Oh, what the hell is happening here? NASDAQ just made a new low of day. IWM just made a new low of day. But they seem sort of overextended to the downside. This looks... Let's see. This is starting to look like a decent... Give me 1 second, guys. I'm not... If I'm ignoring the chat and everything, I'm sorry. Oh, damn. I really want to buy a dip. Damn. I really want to really want to buy a dip. But it's a perfect opportunity for them to make a new low. Damn. It's a perfect opportunity for them to make a new low. Clear defined levels to go long. It's a textbook beautiful longing opportunity, man. But I NASDAQ made a new low. IWM made a new low. Tesla and Apple are showing support. Are we about to just chop around over here once more? Very interesting. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy August 24th. Shit. God damn it. Oh well. Let's see. Let's see what happens if we get a close above 426.28. 426.30. Uh, all right. Based off of this big red candle, it's a good. Damn, it's still a great entry point, man. What the hell am I doing? Yep. Let's just go ahead and take it just doesn't feel right. That's the issue. It just does not feel right, even if we go up. Yeah. Something was just off. Yeah, oh well. That would have been another, like, at least a 10-15% play, but just something about this setup just did not feel right. Oh well. Interesting. IWM made a new low of day. Oh man, wow, the whole market is just acting, it's acting up right now. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. I can't articulate it. Unfortunately, I am not able to articulate the buffoonery currently in the market. All right, I'm gonna buy 427 calls for August 24th. Very light position, 7 days out. I'm not entirely convinced of this move, so I'm getting an August 24th call at the money call. We won't get as much gains, but it's safer, and we'll still make money on the upside if this is a winner. It's much safer, and that's basically the point. At least we get some sort of skin in the game. We don't, we made money on our play early on this morning, so there's no point of risking something and sort of just gambling it away. Doesn't make sense. So yeah, way more comfortable. Safer position. Also, we have to take into consideration that today, usually the day of FOMC meeting or when Powell speaks, etc., those days specifically are very, very choppy. So we might see some more choppy price action. And that's another reason why I got longer term contracts. See, like based off of this red candle, the contract's only down 3%. Whereas if we got you know, a few minutes ago, if we got the 0 DTE contract, those would be down much more. So yeah, I think we're in a good spot. Let's see how the market responds. The IWM is just staircasing down. Apple made a new high of day 2 minutes ago, but it let's see if the strength can continue and if the support holds on Apple. That would be a good indication on the SPY as well. Tesla just made a new low of day, but it is now bouncing. So let's see. So far, this isn't a super bullish setup, but we are holding support and we're trading above the low of day. Things are at support. So it doesn't make sense to try to short, especially during choppy price action. You buy calls at support. You don't try to buy puts, right? Because during choppy range bound market, they do the opposite. So they make the setup look very, very bullish, and then they rip it back down to the upside. So yeah. See, these two red candles to the downside just made many people bearish. And you know, we were in a bull flag here. And we broke down to the downside, and then we ripped to the upside. So all of these bears that they just made bearish lost a lot of money. So what we want to see immediately is a single candle close above 426.65. That would be very, very good. All right, let me look at the messages. Look at my profile. Sorry, I can't do that right now. Do you believe AMC will soon moon? I have no idea. Oh, 1 second. All right, so we got a single candle close above that level of resistance, which is very good. The next main level of resistance we need to close above is 426.77. And oh man, this is beautiful. Trading is, damn, I love it. Let's see if this move can continue and if we can continue to see some upside. 426.65 basically needs to hold a support now for this move to continue upwards. So far, so good. We should easily see above 427. Ideally, I want to see a break of high of day, but let us see what they do on this choppy day. Okay. What settings you use for MACD? So Rob, I use the 3, 10, and 16 settings for the MACD. Tick trend. It's bearish. You're gonna get toasted. Keep watching, and you might learn something. Or not, bro. Who knows? Too much indecision. Don't do it. My question, please. Yeah. Man, about to cry or laugh over money? Come on. All right. I accidentally invited someone to my stream on TikTok. I had to end it and restart it. I was seeing who the guy was that was talking trash. It was some TikTok famous person. Just randomly talking trash. Oh well. All right. Sorry, let me get to the other messages and everything. I took SPY September 6th shorts. Should I close them now? Yeah, you should. I mean, you should definitely take some profits. This is a really, really nice move to the downside early on in the morning. So it's good. Calling it early. Thank you for the 20%. You're welcome. Stefan, when you say leave runners, what do you mean by that? So you sell a certain percentage of your, sorry, 1 second. Can we get a break of high day, please? All right, so now these, I want another close above. Can we get more close above? And I am about to just take profit on these and then just wait for the next play. I could care less. Even if we break high of day, that's cool. 1 second. I want to really try to time this, damn it. All right, yeah, I'm just gonna sell, take profit, move on to the next play. We made it to the top of the range. We could have a big red candle. I don't want this to just reverse on us for no reason because we're trying to be greedy, you know? There's no point. We made 2 solid plays already so far in the morning, and there's no reason to give back gains. What time frame do you trade on? I only trade predominantly on the 1 minute time frame. Stefan, let me go back to the question. So basically what I mean by leaving runners is, say for example, you buy 10 contracts at 10 to 15%. What I like to do is I like to sell at least 25 to 50% of my position, and then I leave then I leave runners. So what that means is the rest of the contracts that I'm holding on to are there to capture more upside. Does that make sense? So you're just leaving runners to run. That's the terminology. Is this a good dip buying opportunity here? No. 426.70 is really good support. Apple new high of day. TSLA breaking down. Hey guys, drop likes on the TikTok live if you guys have been making money. Double tap the screen. Keep on double tapping the screen. This correction just getting started. Not convinced of going long again. Damn. This looks like a way better dipping opportunity than earlier on in the morning. Compared to what we saw here at 9:39 a.m., the current setup looks way better, but still, I'm just gonna go ahead and just wait. There's no point of trying to force anything. VRAX primed to squeeze. Low float, recent IPO, money pox, test kits. Oh, nice. Very interesting. What comes out today, Fed-wise, anything? The Fed minutes from the last meeting, from last month's meeting, comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern time today. No buy at VWAP. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is a way better setup. This is a way better setup than the early morning, but no, I wasn't feeling it. For some reason, like the market just doesn't feel right currently to me. So I'm gonna just follow my intuition, and I'm not gonna enter any trades, even if they look really, really good. I don't want to force anything. But yeah, definitely that buy at VWAP, so far so good. It would have been profitable already. So yeah, that was a good trade. Good stuff, Brian. In him we trust. If we close around 426, would that mean we are out of the uptrend? Another lug down. I wouldn't say that. No. 426, even above 425 or 423, it still remains in an uptrend, in my opinion. QQQ bouncing from the 0.5% 1 hour bull algo. Oh, snap. Nice. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, Apple found support. Tesla also found support. SPY is about to make a new high of day. Let's see if there's going to be some follow through to the upside. They faked out everybody that wanted to buy as it broke high of day, clearly. So currently there's no follow through to the upside. So let's see if support can hold, and then we bounce off of support. Currently that's what we're doing right now. 427 is support. NASDAQ nasty rejection basically off of 330 as well. Interesting. Let's see. Ideally, what I want to see is maybe... damn. They're going to force people to go long here. But even then, this isn't a good long opportunity. Yeah, I'm just way more cautious. And like just the market. It doesn't feel as fluid, and it doesn't feel right. Even if these are good setups, today is not really the day to take many trades. I'd rather, you know, be patient, trade aggressively on another day when the conditions are a bit more favorable. See, now this is like another perfect long opportunity. They made a defined stop loss and everything, but you know, again, like they're messing around with people. So that's why we broke down to the downside. And it is what it is. Now we just wait for safe setups. So $425.9 to 427.24. So that's a $1.6 range so far on the SPY. About 40 minutes in. Still pretty tight. So obviously still we're in a range bound choppy market the first 40 minutes. Again, this isn't a beautiful longing opportunity, but yeah, I mean, they could bring it up higher from here, but there's no real reason to go long here. It's not tight enough. Yeah. There's that. Yeah, we had 2 good trades already this morning. And usually these are days when retail get chopped out the most, so we're doing pretty well. I'm glued on my BBBY right now. Bought silly calls yesterday at close and they're up 400%. Jesus. That's amazing. That is amazing, Ryan. Yeah, see, so again, they made some sort of a buying opportunity, but again, it didn't feel right. And I'm just sticking to my gut. Even if I miss out on trades, it is what it is. Donda. Ham, you usually listen to anything while trading? No. No, I do not. I like to sit in silence. Me even speaking, I never even spoke. Like, like if my friends and everything or family members, they wanted to see me trade or anything like that, I would hate talking. I would literally hate talking. Oh, 1 second. We're back to 426.28. This might be a good dip buying opportunity. Damn. This looks like a good dip buying opportunity, but they could still. It's another perfect opportunity for them to make a new low. So I would like to see maybe a support being created first. But this is a major level of support for 2630. This is basically the same level that we bounced off of earlier in the day. But it's too weak still. There's still more room to the downside. And for that reason, I am going to not... I'm most likely not going to buy this dip. But damn, it looks really, really good. Tesla made a new low a few minutes ago, but found support. Let's see if that holds. Apple. Oh, there we go. SPY broke that. Okay. So we wicked lower. Is this going to be a wick or are we going to close below? Apple is currently wicking. Tesla made another low of day. NASDAQ made another low of day. Damn, this is a beautiful layer of support that they're making. Such a beautiful opportunity for them to just dump it and make new lows. That's the problem. That's the problem with going long right now. It's just such a beautiful opportunity to get all of the people that are blindly buying to rip them to the downside. Low of day is what? 425.9. Yeah. We fell right to low of day. Nice. All right, I'm gonna buy an August 24th 427 call. Yeah, I'm gonna buy an August 27th, August 24th 427 call. Nice and tight, tidy little trade. Not betting or risking, the house or anything like that. Obviously, the momentum is very, very bearish. I just want some sort of, I want to capture some move to the upside without risking too much. We already made 2 solid plays. We already see clearly there's a lot of weakness in the market. Let's see if they could chop it around here for basically the next few minutes and find some sort of support and then bounce it back up. So yeah, let's just see if that works out. How would you play Tesla? Similar to what we're doing on the SPY. Azim, guess who picked up puts at 427.40 rejection while closed at 40%? Wow. Nice. Congratulations. That's awesome. It's gonna go up. I hope so. I'd wait on the call. Check the 4-hour SPY trend. Yeah, 100%. I mean, yeah, definitely it looks bearish. That's one of the reasons why I got the longer term call basically expiring next week, not the daily expiration, because clearly, immediately we have a red day, right? So obviously the 4-hour and the shorter time frames like that are going to be bearish, but the overall daily and weekly trend is bullish. So let's see if they hold. Seeking Buddha, if you can hold for the day, buy current low and below that at Europe close by the current low, and below that at the Europe close. That would be risky because then you would be you would have to hold through FOMC minutes. I see it falling. I see it staying down for the day if it fails to fill the pre-market gap. Yeah. I mean, yeah, of course. Let's see. Yeah. Regardless of what happens afterward in the day, all I want right now is for the market to go up just a little bit. That would be great. Giving back to Hamid. Nice, man. Thank you. Thanks for sharing. Seeking Buddha. And yeah, Austin. No, it's 100%. It's been very bullish for the past few weeks, but we have to also be cognizant that we did fail at the 200 simple moving average just above 430, and 430 is a major level of resistance. So once again, like this is choppy sort of price action. So there's no point of getting overly excited with like smaller contract dates and, oh my God, okay, I'm going to buy the 0 DTE on a big green candle. And then boom, it turns into a red candle. And then you have to, like on days like this, I like to just choose a direction, be comfortable in my position, and make money regardless. It's not going to be as much, but I mean, oh well, money is money. It is what it is. Making money is better than not losing any, especially on like safer plays, so this is, I would consider a safer play. And yeah, let's just see if that works out. So far, so good. Let's see if we get a close above these moving averages on the 1 minute chart. 426.66. Let's get a nice solid close above that level, and then things can actually start moving upwards. But this is a really, really strong level of resistance. If we get a close above this level, things can get interesting. And then on normal days, this would be a good buying opportunity for 0 DTEs, in my opinion. But not today. There's no point of, risking needlessly. So far what I thought was going to happen for a bullish, this is setting up for a bullish FOMC. Because if they maintained like bullish structure heading into the FOMC meeting, the SPY would be at like what, 430, 431 potentially prior to the FOMC meeting. They're keeping it. So what I was thinking was going to happen is we would fall to 426, 427. That's basically where we're at right now. And then from here, if FOMC meeting has bullish news, then we would rip back up to 430 to 431. If we were already at 430 to 431 and then they ripped it, that would be very, very bullish. And I don't think that's what they wanted. So Let's see. Let us see. I'm thinking once gap is filled, take a 2-week put on 430 resistance if held again. I try to trade with 4-hour trend, only looking for puts under 200 EMA. Austin, are you a like, do you primarily swing trade? Mark 432 SPY. That would be great for the calls that we're holding. Is there a reason to believe the FOMC meeting will be good news? I'm ignorant. So so basically the FOMC minutes that we're currently getting are from last month's meeting. And in last month's Fed meeting, I would argue that they knew that CPI would be better. So the minutes from that meeting should be a reflection of them knowing that CPI data will be bullish. So with their backroom conversations potentially about them knowing that CPI data is going to be bullish before it became public, that's why I think the minutes should be bullish as well. I could be completely wrong. Maybe I'm wrong about the dates, but that's immediately what makes sense to me. Will you trade FOMC with us on live? No. FOMC is trading, like that FOMC is basically like the flip of a coin. So it's not worth holding anything too substantial during the meeting. If anything, it's time only for lottos. There's no other real trade opportunity. Unless Powell was speaking, then we could respond to what he says. But that's different than just the minutes coming out. How are you preparing for the FOMC meeting? Good day. Good day to you as well, Daniel. I'm probably not gonna be holding anything through the minutes coming out. So look, literally this is just super choppy price action, exactly what I was saying earlier on. So it's not worth trying to day trade this sort of price action, because as soon as they make it look bullish, they can easily just reverse it and make it look bearish. So just be careful, and that's why I'm happy we're comfortably holding 1 week out calls. So yeah, we made 2 good trades already today. Oh my god, thank you so much for the likes. Perfect. I love it. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for all of the likes, guys. Make sure to like on everything, and subscribe and follow and do all that good stuff. 430 call, got in at 426. That's beautiful, man. Nice. So currently this looks like a bear flag, right? on the 1 minute time frame, this is clearly a bear flag. But because this is a range bound market, we're holding support. So momentum like plays have a less likelihood of working. So therefore, the longer we can hold at this level of support, the better it'll be for these calls to work and for us to pop to the upside. But like, this is just not fun to trade, you know, short-term contracts with. It's not fast enough. It's 10:30 already. Wow. Interesting. This is so stupid. Like, they made it look really bullish, and then a big red candle. So they're making it tough for people to trade this. This is funny. NASDAQ is almost, it's testing the low of day. IWM is also very close to its low of day. Crude oil is doing pretty well. Apple, big green candle right at support, bounced. Tesla low of day. But yeah, guys, please, honestly, like, this is just really just the trading conditions just aren't good at the moment. But thankfully, we are green. We made good money already. And now they're just gonna make us wait. How long do you trade until? Yeah, basically 11 to 11:30. Snow dip. Yeah. What's happening? Should I panic sell? Are you being serious? Or I'm gonna assume you were joking. Should I panic sell? No, you shouldn't panic sell. But of course, trading options is extremely risky. Trading on the stock market is extremely risky. You could potentially lose all of your money. So that's why it's very important to consult your financial advisor or someone that is a licensed professional in this field, because I am not a licensed professional. Do you sometimes trade both calls and puts? Yeah, all the time. But the overall momentum of the daily and the larger time frames is bullish, and what we've been seeing the past few days is just the market holds that support, bounces, and the momentum has been very bullish. So I like to have a bias towards that side heading into the day for day trades. the person on the other end puts for September, anyone. That's an interesting idea because September is historically one of the weakest months in the stock market history for the past 20 years, according to, seasonality and everything as well. So yeah, but generally, if you think that September is going to be bearish, I like to give myself more time. So I would end up getting November or December puts, because you can still have a upward move during September. And so, that doesn't make sense always. So I just like to give myself more time on the move. And it looks like we are going to close these August calls. If we could get a close below low of day. And I'm surprised that this bear flag looks like it worked. All right, I'm going to close these contracts out at 6% loss. So and now we wait for the next play. See how easy and not stressful that was? We just bought into a nice safe play. The support didn't hold. We barely lost any money. We made money on 2 solid plays already today. On a very, very choppy, unfavorable trading day. And it's going really, really well. Usually these are the days that people blow their portfolios up. So it's a good sign that we have not NASDAQ fell right down to really, really important support at 327. And that is exactly where it bounced. Oh, nice. If 426 can hold on the SPY, this is a pretty bullish move here. What website are you currently using? I am using, this is TradingView, a 1-minute chart of the SPY on TradingView. How did you lose? It's obviously a downtrend. Crypto is most definitely the choppiest though. Yeah, crypto is taking the biggest hit because there's a lot of indecision due to what's going on in the various different VCs blowing their portfolios up, all of the Luna, everything with Tornado Cash, all of that other stuff is causing a lot of indecision in crypto. So it hasn't caught up as much as the stock market. Have you ever blew your portfolios? Yeah, multiple portfolios. I lost a lot of money before I became consistently profitable. I refuse to lose more than 2 trades in a row. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's good if you have a system in place to make sure that that's good. Nice. So the SPY is not, we need to close above 426.30, and then the other issue is that VWAP is right at 426.50, and then there's still a lot of this entire layer of resistance here is also right above. So yeah, let's see if we can continue. Monitor BTC and US dollar index. It'll help decide the direction of SPY. Yeah, that the correlation between the dollar and everything was also way more correlated a few months ago. The issue is that it's not as correlated anymore. You think SPY will go back to 430? If the, it all honestly really depends. I was just about to ramble and have like a bunch of different hypothetical scenarios, but it's not even worth it. Like at this point, we just have to see if 425 or 426 can hold. And if those levels hold prior to the FOMC meeting, then 430 is still going to be on the table. Yeah. What dictates your strike price on the contract? So I always buy the at the money contract. Unless it's like some sort of a lotto and I want a lot more gain percentage wise, then I get out the money calls. But that is generally what I do. I just buy the closest strike. Can we like on Twitch? No, you could follow. You should definitely follow on Twitch. The SPY is basically back at this 426.70, 75 range. So now let's see how we respond here. So we're missing out on so I mean the last few minutes we missed out on this big move to the upside. I'm just being very, very cautious today. You know, had a lot of really, really good days, man. We had so many really, really good days in the past week. So I really, especially like the day that the market is going to be the choppiest so far since we began streaming, I definitely don't want to overtrade or try to force anything. So if we miss trades, it is what it is, man. We're making like 30, 40, 50, 100% plays every other day. It is what it is. And then even after I end the stream, like there's always really good plays that show up at, 12 or 1 p.m. Call those out. Those are great plays as well. So I'm sorry if we are not actively, taking trades. Today's more of a day of patience and choosing the right times to buy and enter. Ahmed, do you have another job? No. Got some of my profits chopped up, entered again on calls. Yeah, they're forcing you to just blindly buy calls at support. So what are the reasons you prefer SPY options versus QQQ options for day trading? Thanks. There's no reason. Yeah, there's honestly no reason at all. Actually, I just like the SPY because it's the SP500. But both the SPY and the NASDAQ are both awesome to trade. It just so happens that like the past few weeks and months I've been really, really focusing on the S&P. But there would be times where I literally just focus on tech, or I focus on the IWM, etc., etc. Oh man, they trapped a lot of bears at the break of day's low. They're messing with people's emotions. Yeah, 100%. That's a really, really good way of looking at it. And it's something that we see often, all right? So like they closed below the low of day and they ripped it up all the way right back up to resistance at 426.78. So yeah, you are very correct. 444 SPY. Mark, please. Let's get to 431 first, or 433. Seth, hey man, new subscriber here. I've already learned from you. Thanks a lot. I'll be here every day on lives. Nice, man. Welcome, sir. I'm glad you enjoyed. Glad I can help. Watch out for NASDAQ. Scared money don't make no money. God damn it, crisp. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm playing it safe today. Hamid, are you ever planning on going in real estate? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I'm already invested in real estate. But personally, because I'm young, because I don't have, you know, I like to diversify things differently than, you know, people normally would. But I am invested in real estate, but I don't focus on that as much. I wouldn't say buy now, but you did just miss out. It's part of the game. Misplays are better than losing trades. 100%. 100%. That's the thing. So regardless of what bias we have, minute to minute, if we're trading the minute chart, guys, on TikTok, if we're trading the minute chart, we have to have, our bias has to change much, much quicker. So we have to be way more open-minded, and we have to accept things much, much quicker. If things look bullish, they look bullish. Cut your position. If things look bearish, they look bearish. Cut your position, etc. You know? So, yeah, it's fun. It's part of the game. 426 put looks nice. Damn, I don't know when you said that, but damn, it looks looks like it worked out. Wow, that is crazy. They made a new low. Oof, this is good. Let's see if we can see 425. Let's see if we get a retest of like a tap of 425 on the SPY. Then I'll be interested in trying to catch a knife. Ooh. Damn, this was a... Nah, not yet. Oh, damn, this is for everyone that just tuned in for the first time, I am just trying to be very, very patient today and disciplined. Yesterday and like every other day before that, 30% play, 40% play, boom, 20% play in 2 minutes, boom, 100% play. Today, during, you know, with FOMC minutes coming out at 2 p.m., that is not the case. They make the market choppy and range bound. So, oh well. The volume is why people trade the SPY. I mean, yeah, the volume is good for both the SPY and the NASDAQ. Fills are pretty good also, but then for, you know, you need to, yeah, there's a bunch of different things I could say. Damn, this is another really, really tight longing opportunity with a tight invalidation, but the market just looks so weak. It's not worth it to enter. I can't wait for the minutes to come out. That's gonna make it so much easier for overall direction. Yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm playing a vertical short put for credits. Check out target. Ooh. You would love the Discord. You would love the Discord server. There's a lot of people that play spreads, and they were also targeting. I think they were talking about target as well. Luis Diaz. Nice. High tech. Not gonna lie, I've got puts on SPY and bought UVXY. Good stuff. You are good, man. Congrats. That's good. What do you think about BBBY? BBBY is the one that got away, brother. That was a good play. I think we will see 425. This is the fourth time we touched. Missing out is better than missing in. I've never heard that before. That is awesome. That's a good way to say it. Are we still in demand or getting there? Anything above 425 is still really good support. I want to see it flush down, make another leg down to 425. That would be a pretty solid day trade, in my opinion. But let's see. So if this was a normal day, right? So if this was a normal day, right now I would buy into 1 week out calls. Automatically, I would 100% buy into 1 week out calls. The reason for that is because we fell to 425.30. 425.30 is close to my level of support at 425. So an extra 30-cent cushion doesn't really make a difference when taking into consideration the 1 week out expiration. Does that make sense? So it gives us more cushion, and we understand that we're close to support, but we didn't exactly touch it. So that's why it would make sense to buy 1 week out contracts, calls. Automatically, I would buy them right here. But because this is a range bound, choppy market so far today, I am going to sit on my hands and wait for the best possible setup. And if it works, it is what it is. Oh, sorry, I didn't see all these messages. Are you only taking calls? So far today, yeah, only. I'm still overall bullish on the SPY as long as we remain above 425. How likely is it we close today's gap on the SPY? It's not likely for that to happen before the minutes that come out. Do you think Fed minutes will affect the meme stocks? If the overall market starts to fall, then I think that does affect GME and AMC. Yeah. But because BBBY has, I mean, yeah, generally when the market doesn't do well, then the other meme stocks don't do well either. How old are you? I am 27. I think I'm 27 or 28. 27. Yeah, I'm 27. I just turned 27. I'm shorting on NASDAQ. Nice. You're shorting the NASDAQ. Nice, man. You would be Bear's best friend. We have there's a guy in the Discord, his name is Bear, and all he does is, obviously not all he does, but he's a bear, and he's primarily bearish on the NASDAQ, but obviously he trades to the upside as well. But it's just funny that you said showing the NASDAQ. Newski. I refuse to trade the 1 minute, to be honest. It's so choppy. Yeah. No, just today. Usually, I mean, the 1 minute chart works beautifully, but just today, it's very, very it's choppy and range bound because the minutes come out at 2 p.m. So every time, every single day that we have minutes coming out, or the Fed Powell speaking, it's always choppy on those days. I've been shorting SPY all morning. Nice. Good stuff. Crisp. 17 put on BBBY. Damn, man. Good luck. Scared money don't make no money. Good luck. I hope it works out, man. I really, really want to see you make like 1,000% gain. That'd be great. You're doing the best. I think the given market condition, bro. All good. Thank you, Bowen. If you look at SPY on MT4, you don't have gaps and it's more reliable to judge. Oh, MetaTrader. Okay. What do you mean it's more what do you mean it's more reliable to judge? Morning room. Hamza, are you only going long? If so, why not take the shorts on the pullbacks? Seems like the market is in a channel so far. I just the market, it doesn't feel right today. So I'm not really doing things like super normally. It doesn't really yeah, I can't really explain how I feel about the market currently, but I'm overall still bullish. The overall daily trend, everything else is still very, very bullish to me. So that's why I'm prioritizing to buy calls at support. Don. Hey, Don. What time or times during the day is usually the big price action? So usually the first hour and a half is usually a lot of important price action when there's momentum, but currently there's no momentum because the market is choppy because of the Fed, right? I had 331 puts since Monday. Damn. Wow. That is awesome. Nice. 2 p.m. Eastern time. If you go to forexfactory.com, I just typed it in the chat. You could get the schedule for everything. For all of the macroeconomic news, you get the schedule for it. So it's very important to check that out basically every morning. Oh, damn. We have bulls, BBBY bulls, and BBBY bears. Well, good luck to you both. Will there be a double bottom on the SPY daily chart? Double bottom sort of already broken because we broke yesterday's low. But basically, if we hold above 425, still things are still bullish. It, you know, so far we're seeing that the market doesn't want to break below 425.38, which is basically right next to 425. And the NASDAQ also doesn't want to break below 327. So we need to see. I mean, we need to see if that continues for the next few minutes. If it continues to act like this, then we could call it a day, and I'll probably share some, you know, thoughts and talk about some trades after minutes come out. I made $50 off SPY today. Nice. Congrats. That's awesome. That's awesome. MashaAllah, bro. Keep killing it. Thank you, Hamza. Hamza, you have a great name, brother. By the way, your first name, beautiful name, brother. Hamza. I hate bears, but do not hate free money. Based on the charts, it'll be hard to flush for BBBY. You hear that? You hear that? Crisp? Good luck. But yeah, man, honestly, I hope everything works out for both you guys. Oh, Ace, I'm going full in on 431 calls with 0 DTE and hedge with 420 puts, 0 DTE. Let's do. What the hell are you doing? What? What? Oh my god. A belated happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna take a rest. Made some money for today. Thanks everything, guy. Nice. Have a good one. Enjoy. Pronic. Turned 500 into 2,000 with BBBY. Down $70 with SPY. That's awesome. Nice. But yeah, today is not. Oh, let me fix this chart so you guys can see it properly. But yeah, so today, not as fast, not as abrupt, quick movements. It is what it is. Loco Ace QQ. Yep. I swear to God, if he actually took that trade, no, it has to be a joke. Where is Aku? He needs to talk some sense into you. He's tired of not losing money, so he wants to do the market donation. Once again, man, this would have been a really, really beautiful, easy trade any other day, I would have bought calls 1 week out because we fell very close to 425. And 425 is a major level of support for me. And usually, so obviously, like, we could talk about hindsight, but I'm just explaining my thought process for why we didn't enter. All right. Every other day, right? So today we obviously see that price action is choppy, right? When price action is not choppy, say for example, we have clear-cut, beautiful support at 425. If we get a massive flush down like this that we just saw, where we fell all the way from 426.75 all the way down to 425.38, that's only 38 cents away from a major level of support. Okay? So usually, instead of getting greedy and hoping for a touch exactly at that level of support, I would automatically just buy contracts a week out and then wait. Because even if we did come back and retest that 425 level, the chances of us moving upwards is so much more likely that regardless, we would be fine. So next time, this is always a trade that you can always make. If we abruptly fall down to a major level of support, it's a really good buying opportunity generally to buy calls. And to be safer, you buy calls a week out. It is what it is. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you so much for all the likes. Nice. Make sure you guys are liking on YouTube. And make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. Definitely make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. We are the only people doing this right now. Nobody else is live and sharing trades and everything for free like this, by the way. So, welcome. I got in a 425 call at the previous dip, 822 expiration. Nice. I hope it worked out. I hope you took some profits. It can only go up or down, so we shall see. Yep. Do you have a percentage target of profits per day? No. But you know, obviously, like, it's completely different for everybody. 1% a day might sound like a lot to someone. 1% a day might sound like very little to someone else. So the main thing is, don't try to put a little bit of pressure is good, but don't try to overly exert yourself if you aren't consistently making money. And the most important thing is, like, it's not even the amount of money that you're making, it's whether or not you're entering trades properly and whether or not you are basically managing your portfolio properly and everything like that as well. So don't worry too much about a percentage gain per day on your portfolio. Focus more on high quality trade setups. That's all you need to focus on. The money is afterthought. Don't even worry about how much money you're making. If you're making good solid trades with good entry points, with good risk reward, and you're not full porting, and you're only trading like a percentage of your portfolio per trade, then trading just becomes mathematics. And yeah, just put trading in your favor. The more math you involved in trading and the less emotions you involve in it, the more money we make, man. Subscribed. Thanks, Ethan. Welcome. What do you feel about Max Payne? I never really I don't really, pay attention to that too much. Glad I found your page, bro. You're awesome. Only guy live trading, spreading really good insight. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Wise. Thank you. I follow you everywhere. Lit. Thank you. Thank you. I haven't made money yet. I'm waiting for a good setup. That's it. Patience. It's already 11:18. So it looks like, I mean, honestly, like this could just keep on going until minutes come out. Early morning momentum is gone. Clearly we're just going to continue in a choppy range bound market. And then like towards the end of the week is OPEX and things could get even worse. Hussein, are you going to play right now? No. Friday is the third week of the month. Yeah. So there's going to be OPEX coming out. But yeah, OPEX is going to be soon. So there could be more downside. Oh. Hey, Don. So I saw your message. Hamid, I'm a new trader. Can you recommend some learning via YouTube or elsewhere? Yeah. So that playlist I just sent is a really, really good introduction course for technical analysis and just learning in general. That is one of my like favorite all-time courses. And it was one of the first courses that I watched as well. And it still applies today. It's really, really great. And yeah, I would recommend you watch it twice. The first time you just watch it. And then the second time I would recommend you watch it by taking notes. Hussein, you're such a nice person. The way you talk and teach, you're amazing, by the way. Nah, man. Thank you. Thank you. I gotta learn to take compliments. But yeah, man, I really appreciate it. I'm nothing special. I'm just trying to do right by people. And I'm just blessed. And I want to see everyone do well. And the more good-hearted people in the world with money, the better the world is going to be. So, oh, hey, user. Sorry, what's the name of the course? So, if you go on YouTube, how do I type TikTok? Damn, bro. I don't even know how to type. 1 second. Oh, I could comment. Nice. Informed trades. So, go on YouTube and type in informed trades. And the course is called Basics of Trading video course. It's a 77 video course with short videos. It's a really, really, really awesome course. I would recommend everyone honestly watch it. It's like a really, really good course. So yeah, as you can see, this play would have worked out beautifully if we had gotten 1 week out calls. But again, it's just not really worth taking these risks. But just understanding that these trade opportunities are there is Very, very important. So yeah, this trade opportunity is always going to be there. Like I said, when we fall abruptly from a high to close to a very, very major level of support, if you just automatically buy longer term calls, you're good. Generally, of course. Sorry, it's called informed trades. So INFORMED trades. So if you type that on YouTube, you know, basics of trading video course. Oh yeah, got it. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna link for Twitch chat as well. Sorry about that. Nice. SQ Brown, do you have a long-term portfolio and a day trading portfolio as separate accounts? I have like different accounts, and some of them so I'm not the best example for that, but generally what you want to do is you want to make monitoring your positions as easy as possible for you. So usually you can make multiple accounts with different brokerages. So if you do want to have a long-term portfolio, it would be better, in my opinion, to have a separate account for that. If SPY enters 425, would you enter calls? That's what I was waiting for, but I don't think. I'm not sure if that's going to happen because we already fell down to 425. Bruh, what? So yeah, I also, you know, as I get better at streaming and responding to everyone's questions, etc., you know, it's just I'll be able to respond to everybody. I'll be able to continue to answer trades. I think we've been doing pretty well, but just today, it's just the market has been very, very choppy. But the one thing that we could have done that I was not looking at the price action for was at 11:15 a.m. You can see that. So first of all, we fell down to 425.38. Right? We fell down. So we sharply fell from the 426.70 all the way down, very, very close to support at 425.38. Okay, that was holding us support very close to 425. It's holding us support, bounced up, cool, and then we ended up chopping around. This wick, sorry, this wick at 11:15 a.m. broke down support the next candle ripped up higher. That is generally a beautiful buying opportunity, but I was not looking at the screen. What this is telling us, and usually this is like literally we enter so many plays off of that candle. We periodically broke below support. We made everyone extremely bearish. This caught everyone and made like stop losses get triggered because people had stop losses right below this low of day, right? So what they did was they made it fall another 10 cents lower, breaching everyone's stop loss, and then they ripped it up higher. And that is a really, really bullish, strong move. And yeah, man, I mean, like, it is what it is. I'm getting better at this. It's a new thing for me, being like streaming and like sharing trades and responding to everybody at the same time. So yeah, hopefully hopefully you guys entered on that, made some money, because that's literally one of like my favorite trade setups. And we made a lot of money on multiple different trades for the past week and a half already doing something like that. So yeah, sorry about not seeing that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Jace B, I took it. Nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Perfect. I think it may be useful to use something like Linktree on your TikTok profile to share all your profile links. Yeah, that's a... Yeah, that makes sense. Undercut and reversal. Okay, is that the term? Yep. That makes sense. Cool. You bullish on the SPY? Yes, I am bullish on the SPY as long as we can hold above 425 for today. And then really, I mean, 423 as well. But if we break 425 and we start comfortably trading below it, and if we start comfortably trading below 424.50, then that's a problem. After the 2 o'clock announcements, are you going to trade 0 DTE or longer positions? Probably both. Let's see. Let's see. Do you trade SPY every morning like this? Yes. 440. All right, guys, it's 11:30. We took 3 trades. Pretty slow day. Very, very choppy day. It is what it is. Not every day is going to be a super fast moving day. We made a lot of gains so far, and we're not going to catch every single move. It is what it is. Don't FOMO. Have patience. You got to realize, like, I'm streaming in front of you guys. Of course, I want to have really, really awesome, beautiful plays, right? But it's just not always worth it to try to risk these things, you know? So it's better not to lose money than it is to try to force to make it, you know? So, yep. It is what it is. I hope you guys made some money. I hope you guys had a good day so far. We're green, definitely. So yeah, overall, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for all the likes, and guys, make sure you follow me on Twitch. Make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube as well. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. I go live on everything every morning, and I also post all my trades and everything, all the videos and stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I'm going to head out now. Thank you so much for everyone that tuned in. For all, thank you so guys. Honestly, thank you guys so much for all of your love and your support, man. I can't thank you guys enough. Like, it's a blessing, man. I'm gonna say this every day. It's honestly a blessing to have you guys around. It's like, it's truly, truly a blessing to be a part of a community like this. And yeah, man, thank you. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Just make sure the rest of the day you guys are trading calmly, not reactionary to any extreme bullish or bearish news or bearish plays. Play intelligently. And then 2 p.m. obviously there's going to be minutes and things should be interesting. All right, so yeah, have an amazing day, have an amazing morning. Go out for a walk, get some breakfast, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, thank you so much.